Hello children of FGV, I am Dr. Verissimo. We are back to our class. Next, how to configure email. In this class, we will learn how to configure email on the device, in this case, on the Equivision camera. And we will also learn how to configure this email in the Equivision ARC Central software. Let's go to the screen to see how this works in practice. We are here on the PC screen accessing our camera. Now, as always, username and password. And we go to configuration. Here in configuration, we are in network. There is basic configuration. And we go with advanced settings. We go here in media and media. We will put the sender's number so we can create a name. For example, and if not, my sender and medium. We will put the email that we configured here. Security, which is the sender. Sender, server MSS, smtp.email.com, that I am. Using email from D-email, and the STP port is 587. The protocol is STLS, and it is advisable to activate TLS here. Here the attached image, when sending an email, it will attach about 2 images. And we will activate here, authenticate and authenticate user. We will put the email that we configured, and here in the password we will copy and paste it, buddy. At the headquarters we have to join, which is the email password we saw in the last lesson. Let's then select here, copy. We will paste, then we type. Let's type the password. Here is the recipient, here is the name. Alarm name. Here is the name. Here is the respective email, the recipient. The email is from the app, but the one who will receive the email, here is the alarm, the date, and here the respective email of the recipient. And let's go here to save, and once that's done, we will have to go to event. On intelligent event, here in intelligent event, for example, we are here in intrusion detection if we want the email to be sent, but here in intrusion detection, then we configure it well. Here we have the method of connection, and here it is active to send email. It is active. This function and save, although it is already active. Now I will open the email. I will go to the camera so we can test if the configuration is everything okay or not. Is it? Here we have the email to send. So it sends the amount of information, the type of event, the scene time, we receive notification, and 1 or 2 photos. The photo is of good quality there. We can achieve good recognition, so this is amazing. Decision of event sending email. In the next class, we will learn how to configure email in the social network software. Then, consumers like to learn about medicine.